Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are down in San Francisco and we're on the waterfront, so gonna be doing the Alcatraz tour. Gonna do a quick walk over to Pier 33, so thought we'd show you what we come across. Never been down here before, gotta check it out with us as we go here. Alright, let's get into it. Wow, this is a cool area, babe. It's busy. We'll just go this way. So we're going over, Pier 33 is down that way, so we'll just take a walk and see what we find. So we'll probably be back down here tomorrow, huh? Do the Fisherman Wharf and then check all this stuff out. Yeah, let's check over here. They got Bubblegum Shrimp Co. Feel that could be kind of cool. Flying theater. I got a bunch of fresh produce over here. So we parked at Pier 39. It's $50 for all day parking or $10 per hour, so a little more expensive than what we're used to in Seattle. But wow, there's a lot to check out here. Apparently Pier 39 goes on for quite a ways. Yeah, this goes deep, babe. Goes a long ways. We'll have to come back here tomorrow and check it out. Definitely think this will worth spend some time. So they got like the Ripley's Believe It or Not place that we saw as we were coming down here. Definitely huge Chinatown. But we are doing the night tour of Alcatraz, so we're pretty excited about it. So kids are excited, we're excited. We're gonna go take a look and see what we can get into. You guys excited to go on the Alcatraz tour? Are you warm enough? Good thing we got you that, huh? It's definitely San Francisco, Seattle type weather. So we saw these big bus tours, jump on, jump off type deal. So we saw one of them. Yep, hop on, hop off tour. Sit on the top. Might be worth checking out. We're here for a wedding, so I don't know how much time we're gonna have to do a lot of that stuff, but definitely some stuff to check out. Aquarium of the Bay. We were talking, it's very reminiscent of Seattle in a lot of ways. Just bigger hills, bigger city, but a lot of similarities. Definitely noticed the homelessness issue and drug addiction, just like we have in Seattle. So far it hasn't been as bad as what I had heard, but we're also in the nicer areas.
Please, take it.
So, all in perspective, right? So, good and the bad with anything. FTC Aquarium of the Bay. All their valves. Fire sprinkler supply. Do you guys want to take a picture with the seals? Choose a seal, Drake.
Oh, Drake, you got the skeleton. Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheese. Oh, I love it. Come on, let's go.
So what do you think? Should we check out Pier 39 tomorrow? Or, well, either tomorrow or Sunday. Yeah, the weather, I think the high while we're here is going to be 78, but mostly in the 60s, low 70s. So it's a little chilly, especially for the end of summer for us. So this night tour, you pay a little extra for it, but how cool is that, doing a night tour of Alcatraz? Kind of a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I have wanted to do this tour ever since I was a little kid. I have not been to San Francisco since like 3rd or 4th grade, so it's been a long time. So who knows if I'll ever get back here. So we saw that was an option. We flew in today, kind of drove around a bit, got our bearings, went to the hotel, and we are going to do that tour first thing tonight. Getting your shoes all fixed. Those are some crazy shoes, Lily. Alright, I'm going to walk a little bit ahead.
Okay, Drake, stay here.
Hey, babe. It's Pier 33, so just right down here. So, anyhow, just thought, I don't know what exactly this was going to turn into, but it's always fun to do these walking tours, and this will be a quick little one. Walking over to Pier to catch the boat to go to Alcatraz. But thought it'd be fun just to kind of show you what we're up to this weekend. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying some of the Halloween content. I am excited to finally be done with the outside of the house. So got to edit that video of getting that all done, and we're going to have a bunch more Halloween related content for the end of this month and October, of course. So we're looking forward to it. But we're also excited to be here. It'll be, I think Julie wanted to check out Chinatown. And I wanted to check out the Fisherman Wharf and the Golden Gate Bridge. And the waterfront, which we're doing today in Alcatraz. So we're kind of hitting everything that we were hoping to hit. Alright, I'm actually meeting up with my brother-in-law, my sister, my brother, and his girlfriend. So there'll be quite a few of us for this tour of Alcatraz. Sounds like it's about 2 hours, so we'll get over there. They leave at 6:30, so it's 5:45 right now, so we got a little bit of time before they disembark for the Rock. Man, that's a movie I haven't seen in a long time. Sean Connery. Great actor. I'm gonna miss that. Oh man, food smells delicious. Oh, that looks good. Oh man. Lots of good food. Alright, we are at Pier 35, so we are getting close to 33. We originally started looking at this parking lot. That was even more expensive than the one we went with. Still not thrilled, but you know, you're on vacation. You're going to spend a little more than you planned on. But we'll get there. All right. Alcatraz Tour. Looks like we are here. We'll walk a little bit further down. That's, I guess, the flavor of the day, huh? They got a bunch of that stuff everywhere. Might have to get some kind of snack while we're waiting for this. And we might have to mute this part of the video with the music playing. Alright. All sorts of San Francisco stuff. Pier 33, Alcatraz landing ahead. Creepy little pier area right there. Alcatraz Cruises. Alright, so I think this is probably where we're going to be at. Alright. City Cruises. Explore the Alcatraz Sail House. Will call. Oh yeah, this is where we're going to be at. As well. Thanks for coming along. We will be obviously doing a video of Alcatraz, so look forward to seeing that in the near future. Until then, keep exploring. We'll talk soon. Take care. What'd you guys get? Ooh, that looks good. Is it good? How much is that?
Jalapeno?
No thanks.
No? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma.
Take care.